Hello guys, welcome to our my channel. Easy Technology Knowledge. Today I will show you how you can easily create a logo for YouTube and Facebook page. So first, you go to Google, then search. We will type in search bar 3D logo design.org and press enter. This is a guys. This is the intro of the site, and see what search bar below. There is a interior write the name of our company page. Then click get standard button and your logo will be created. So I will just testing for the ESY easy taking and get standard button click. Then I will see your logo. It is a use of logo, and you are choose which is your choice. I will choose logo. Click on the logo. This is my company or Facebook logo. I will if you want, you can customize its art as you wish. Look like text, art, add icon, add logo, add text as you wish. Uh, there guys, I will a very important talk there. Uh, and no resistance is required to make a logo hard, sign up, login. No needed. I'm at the link for your confirmation, my description box. If you will like my video, please like, comment, and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video and our channel.